What's up guys, welcome to Tommy RC. Today I'm going to show you a new company from China, and this is called the Chuangke and C-Key. Now the first product of the companies is 1/7 quarters. Now it's called the 5811. Now let's unbox it. Well, here is the menus and tools. The big 1/7 quarters is so big, bigger than the 1/8 quarters here. Transmitters. Wow, look at it. This is a Jeep Wranglers. Look at these big wheels. Wow. The wheels is a little bit harder than the soft wheels. Look at it, the suspensions here. Wow, look at it. This has a translucent hood here. So beautiful. Just like a V8 engines inside the hood. The rear mirrors can fold, and there is also the lights on the hood. Roof light here, so big. Now let's see the chassis here. Aluminum. Sorry, these are all metals. Steels universal shafts here. Metals suspensions here, and this is a brushed motors. Wow, by the way, there is a steering protect rod here. You can see here, just like a suspensions here, to protect the servos when you need a big torque. Now, look at the steering wheels, steering knuckles. You can see there's portal axles. Wait a minute. If you open the bodies here, just so convenient. Look at it, so big. Look at the interiors of the quarters here. And this is the servos here. Now there, it has 2 battery trays here. Now this is a 3S 3300 milliamp hours batteries here. Now this is a Hobby's WP880 EICs. Now it can support to up to 4S levels here. Now you can see there is a 80 amps and 7.4 volts BCs, and the max amps is 4 amps. Now this is the servos. I guess this is the front diff lock servos here, because I see the wires. 2-speed servos maybe. Wow, look at it. This is so clean that you can nearly see the wires. So clean here, so beautiful. Now let's see the interiors of the bodies. Wireless to the last controllers here. Now this is the front lights controllers. A lot of lights, headlights, steering lights, and even this is the roof lights. Sorry, this is the hood lights. So clean here. This is not aluminum wheels, it's plastic wheels, but it's so solid enough. The tail textures is a little bit like the Polar Hyrax G8, but it is a little bit stiff, harder. It is easy to open the bodies here. Just shift this. Wow. Universal shafts for steerings here. So big. And look at the rear portal axles. The portal axles here. So beautiful. 1/7 scrollers, and it's